PTON stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. I'm looking at Peloton Interactive stock. They're sitting at $7.09, 16.14% up. This is relatively how my chart's looking like. And before I get into it and everything, I've done well over 37,000 videos and 5 figures investing courses and mentors. I begin by being bullish on PTON way before it was cool to talk about PTON. Right? You can see at the time we were sitting at 584. It was 4 months ago, and I milked it up from 5 to up to 10, so that's like a 2x, 100% increase in price. Specifically looking at this thing here, had another link proof of me calling it off here, which almost delivered and then fell down. With this in mind, it's only really still going to be a bullish range and trend and market structure if I start seeing breaks above 710. And if I don't, it's all good. You know, I'm not going to be willing to force any movements whatsoever. So let me know what is your opinion on PTON. If you want to make more money in a simple way, click the first link in the description. A simple and lean way. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.